Chapter 1. Genealogical structure, the kinship system. A. Kinship. Genealogical communities. The Sahog Jalobu is the small or large marga branch, or even the marga itself, which gathers together over a buffalo. It goes back not less than 3 centuries and, if it has stayed together, occupies a territory of some extent. Sivigay dan the Sapanganan Lobu and the Sahog was the Hogjaria or Satiria, both names for the very large sacrificial ceremonies and for the sacrificial communities, and the Sapanganan Hogboso bound, the group which partook of a buffalo when the spirit of the highest referred ancestor. The Sombaon was to be worshipped, receive homage and offerings. The Hogjaria and the Sapangan Hogboso Bawon comprise an entire head marga or tribal group and have the focal points in the raga-raga of the kinship complexes. This raga-raga is a square rack carefully cared for that hangs in the Rumah Paksatian house of the tribal group. The ancestral spirit was presumed to descend into it when he lowered himself amidst his descendants at the ceremonies arranged for his veneration. Collection of the festival contributions and the division of the offering animal at these larger ceremonies by the component lineages, which can also be called Saguguan, one collecting unit, or Sajabar, one sharing unit, has already been referred to and will again be dealt with in Chapter 2, where a description of the religious character of the genealogical groups will be given.